Hello everyone, welcome to the High Priestess World. Today I will gonna do a reading about your future spouse. Like what will be the features of your future spouse, how he will look, okay, who will be your future spouse. So here are the three stones which you can see. I will put them as a piles. Okay, so here's the pile number one, which is rose quartz, and this is the pile number two, which is green aventurine, and this is the pile number three, which is called amethyst. This is really very good stone for the intuition power and psychic power. So yeah, so apart from this, now we will gonna start from the reading. So let's start. So this is the pile number one which I have got. Okay, so I have got these cards for the pile number one, which is rose quartz. Okay, so this is the ace of cups, five of swords, five of wands, lovers, nine of cups, and queen of pentacles. So this is the reading about who will be your future spouse. So I am saying your future spouse will be gonna very emotional person. Okay, and you will see him na, jise he is very, sometimes I won't call him manipulator, but I will call him very हाजिर जवाबी type of person. Okay, who know कि कहाँ पर किस बात को कैसे मैनिपुलेट करके रखना है, या फिर किस बात को किस तरीके से अपने फेवर में करना है. Okay, one more thing I am saying, your future spouse will be like, you will see his skin will be like in a bit reddish skin tone. जैसे कुछ लोगों का फेस का कलर होता है ना, लाल पड़ जाता है काफी बार सनलाइट में, उस टाइप का कलर you will see. And he will be not so much dark, not so much light. He will be like basically the Indian tone we all have. Okay, so and one more thing I am seeing, इन पास्ट में इनकी काफी ज्यादा लड़ाइयाँ कन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो रखी होंगी कुछ लोगों से. लड़ाइयाँ ऐसा नहीं बहुत इंटेंस लेवल पे, बट एक मन मुटाव जो हो जाता है लोगों से या दोस्तों से. ठीक है, और पास्ट में इनका जो पास्ट रहा होगा रिलेशनशिप के मामले में, ठीक है, या फिर दोस्ती के मामले में, वो काफी खराब रहा होगा. ट्रस्ट वर्दी लोग पास्ट में नहीं मिलेंगे. वन मोर थिंग आई एम सीइंग यहाँ पे, वो ये कि he will be a person na, who will have lot of pride and lot of, I won't call exact ego, but I will call like very type of person जिसको लगता है कि I am the king here. Okay, I have here to rule. I am here to rule. Okay, and I have to rule. Okay, and one more thing I'm seeing, both of you will gonna share very good connection, very good connection and very happy married life. As I am seeing one more thing, that after the marriage you will grow a lot. Like whoever this person is saying, like male or female, whoever, okay, you will grow a lot after your marriage financially. Okay, and you will share a very great bond emotionally, mentally, है ना, even physically also. And you will see that after the marriage, after the meeting with your spouse, you will see lot of confident energy within yourself. You will see that now my confidence is on top level rather than before. Okay, and one more thing I am feeling here, that after meeting with your spouse, you will see day by day more that your psychic powers, your intuition powers are increasing. कुछ होने वाला है, you just got to know कि हाँ, ओके, ये तो मुझे पता था ये चीज होने वाली है. सो जैसे होता है ना कि sometimes we get to know कि क्या होने वाला है, तो you will see that your intuition is getting high, so much high day by day. Okay, so this is the thing I am getting for the pile number one. So yeah, so here we are going to start second pile, which is green aventurine. So I got the cards: nine of pentacles, wheel of fortune, knight of pentacles, ten of cups, two of cups, and two of swords. So I'm saying about your future spouse, that people who have chosen this pile, your future spouse will have a skin tone which comes between an Indian skin tone, which is like not, I will say brown, but it is like mm, लाइक बेसिक टिपिकल इंडियन स्किन टोन जो होता है उससे लेके जो एक फेयर स्किन टोन होती है उसके बीच का जो होता है, मतलब कि इट इज लाइक little bit I will say, yeah, I got the right word, pale skin type. Okay, I'm saying like people who have chosen this file, your future spouse might look like in the pale skin. And one more thing I got very clear here, that whoever this person, whoever the person you will marry, doesn't matter you are a guy or a girl who is watching the video, okay, you will see that you will went into the family which will be financially stable. Okay, if you are a girl, then your husband will be, your husband will belong from a good family background. And if a guy is watching this, then maybe your lady will be financially good, well settled. Okay, one more thing I am seeing, बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम की कंफ्यूजन के बाद, बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम की अनक्लैरिटी के बाद यू विल रियलाइज कि दिस इज द पर्सन जिसके साथ मेरे को लाइफ स्पेंड करनी है. ओके, एंड इट विल बी मोर लाइक डिवाइन कनेक्शन. इट इज मोर लाइक डिवाइन कनेक्शन, जहां पर यू हैव वेटेड फॉर सो लॉन्ग एंड आफ्टर दैट you got the clarity with the card of two of cups and ten of cups. Okay, I am seeing your person will have very slow energy. ठीक है, like whatever work he will do, okay, like it is work related with his own work, like office related work or business related work, ठीक है, he would like to do work not very slow but slow manner में as comparison to others, because he will have good analysis power. उनको चीजें एनालाइज करना बहुत अच्छा लगता होगा और उनकी एनालिसिस पावर बहुत अच्छी होगी, चाहे वो काम के मामले में हो या फिर चाहे वो लोगों के मामले में हो या फिर वो किसी भी और चीज से रिलेटेड हो, तो ही विल हैव गुड एनालिसिस पावर. Okay, and you will used to believe that a fulfilled family and a happiest family is the best. Okay, like इट विल बी लाइक वेरी बैलेंस्ड कनेक्शन, ना यहाँ पर हद से ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी होगी ना यहाँ अंडर रेटेड चीजें होंगी. इट विल बी अ बैलेंस्ड कनेक्शन जहाँ पर यू विल रियलाइज कि आफ्टर ऑल वट एवर वी यूज टू डू, बैलेंस is the very necessary thing in the life. Okay, so this is the thing I have got for the second pile. So yeah, so this is the pile 3, which is amethyst. I got the cards: 8 of cups, 8 of swords, 10 of pentacles, 5 of cups, 6 of swords, and 8 of wands. I have got lot of energy of 8 number, which is Saturn. Okay, so I am seeing यहाँ पे जैसे whoever person is watching, okay, I am seeing you will be the dominator person and you will be the person जिसकी रिलेशन में या मैरिज के बाद सबसे ज्यादा चलेगी. Okay, because I am seeing your person will be that kind of personality who will be extra possessive about the spouse. ठीक है, who will be obsessed over the spouse. Okay, and one more thing I am seeing यहाँ पे, the person you will marry now, that person could be related with some sort of field जहाँ पे financial related work थोड़ा ज्यादा हुआ करेगा. It could be related with banking sector or any other sector which is directly or indirectly related with finance. Okay, one more thing I am seeing, your person would like to travel a lot. Travel could be outside the country, inside the country. One more thing I can say for sure, that your person has seen lot of ups and downs in the past में बहुत सारी जगहों पर उन्होंने काफी चीजें फेस करी होंगी फाइनेंशियल लेवल पे स्पेशली. एक और चीज आई एम सीइंग, योर पर्सन विल हैव लॉट ऑफ मूड स्विंग्स की काफी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगी. एकदम मूड ऑन हो जाता, एकदम ऑफ हो जाना, ठीक है, एंड सडन आउट ऑफ जोन हो जाने की भी एक चीज होगी. एक और चीज है यहाँ पे, गुड क्वालिटी इज ही वुड लाइक टू, ही और शी, whoever the person, ठीक है, he or she would like to spend time and money on the family and with the family. Okay, उनको अपने फैमिली पे खर्चा करना ज्यादा पसंद होगा रेदर देन डूइंग फालतू का इधर उधर किसी के भी ऊपर, ठीक है, और अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना ज्यादा पसंद होगा. आई एम सीइंग वन मोर थिंग विद द मैरिज, अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल और ज़्यादा इंक्रीज होगा. ओके, टाइम के साथ एक दूसरे को अंडरस्टैंड करना, कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है, या फिर एक बेसिक जो बोलते हैं ना एक दूसरे के बिहेवियरल पैटर्न को समझना, ये टाइम के साथ चीज़ें धीरे धीरे करके ग्रोन अप होंगी, ठीक है, एकदम से नहीं होंगी. यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ मैं यहाँ पे कह सकती हूँ वो ये कि like especially females, if some female is watching the video now, I can say lot of you have some sort of psychic power or intuition power right now on very peak. Okay, so if you can relate with the pile, then please trust the pile. Okay, so I got this much for the video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching me and listening me, and please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.